Myself is Shalin Singh Yadav, student of RVSKV, Indore campus. My topic is response of major and micronutrient on growth, yield, and quality of garlic under Malwa condition of Madhya Pradesh. Garlic belongs to family Eliaceae, and it is the most important bulbous annual spices from onion. It is native of Central Asia and is having a chromosome number 2n/16. It's produce hermaphrodite flower. Garlic produce a group of small bulbs called cloves covered with skin. It is commonly used as spices in a medicinal purpose because it contains antibacterial substance allicin. It is a powerful drug against hemorrhagic dysentery. Garlic contains different essential minerals, vitamins, and many other substances used for health and human being. It is a rich in sugar, protein, fat, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and other minerals. Vitamins. The major garlic producing country in the world in China, South Korea, and India. India with acreage of 0.323 million hectares and production 1.70 million tons. The important stage growing garlic in India, Rajasthan, MP, UP, and Gujarat. These states accounts for about more than 80% of area and production in the country. Among different states of India, Rajasthan is leading state, and in MP, Ratlam is leading district. Madhya Pradesh cultivated 92,000 hectare area and production of 405,000 tons. It contributes 29.28 and 25.15% of the total area and production of the country. In view of above facts and present investigation entitled Response of Major and Micronutrients on Growth, Yield, and Quality of Garlic under Malwa condition. Technical program of my work location, I am present my all work in research farm, Department of Horticulture, College of Agriculture, Indore. In garlic variety G282, Yamna Shafed 3 in Ravi season with factorial RVD and 15 into 20 centimeter spacing in 10 treatment and 3 replication. Details of my treatment: we take 9 treatment. First one is control, and other one is a combination of boron, sulfur, or zinc in soil and foliar application in different combinations. We recorded some observation like growth parameters, plant height, number of leaves per plant, leaf length, leaf width, length of pseudostem. In yield parameter, I record fresh weight of bulb, dry weight of bulb, bulb diameter, number of cloves per bulb, average weight of 10 cloves, or yield per plot. We conduct experiment in Ravi season in agriculture farm Indore. The soil is silty clay loam and medium pH 6.8. Available nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash is 120, 18, and 94 kg per hectare respectively. The garlic variety Yamna Shafed 3 sown on 26 October 2020, 500 kg seeds per hectare with keeping the spacing 15 into 20 centimeter. And the crop was grown as per the recommended package and practices, and recorded some parameters, growth parameters. In all over, my result revealed that application of 100% recommended dose of fertilizer along with the 30 kg sulfur soil application plus 0.6% sulfur foliar application so best result. It is shown maximum plant height 54.31 centimeter and 99.2 2 leaves per plant. It is the average waste in 5 plants in each plot. 49.48 centimeter leaf length and 1.94 centimeter leaf width. It was the followed by T9 and T7 treatment. T9 is the foliar and soil application of zinc, and T7 is the foliar and soil application of boron. In yield parameter, is the same treatment. It is the so higher and significantly in all other treatments. It is recorded the 46.84 gram fresh bulb weight, 22.3 dry bulb weight, 5.90 centimeter bulb diameter, 23.66 close per bulb, or it is the higher than other plots. Bulb yield is 158.44 quintal per hectare, and second yield is 150 quintal per hectare. It is the treatment 9. The higher yield and yield attributes may be showing maximum growth parameter, including number of length with width, a higher photosynthetic area, and higher association of sulfur compound. Thank you.